Hey fellas and fellettes, I'm that car guy Tim, and on this episode we're heading to Full Circle Automotive to chuck black gold on the lift and toss in the Rough Country LED fog light swap kit. Welcome back to the channel and this week's episode. I'm that car guy Tim. Today we're heading out to Full Circle Automotive in Edgewater, BC. They've hooked me up with some lift time and we're going to install something I've been wanting on my 2019 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X for a long time. Rough Country's LED Black Series flush mount Cree 2-inch pod fog light swap kit. Now, each pod is a 30-degree spot beam and pushes 4,800 lumens, way brighter and cleaner than factory fogs. But the best part, we're wiring them right into the OEM fog switch, so everything stays stock feeling. Now, this is available on offroad.ca for about 160 bucks. But let's get the truck on the lift, and let's get started. First step is to fold the fender liner back, which is an easy one with some Phillips screws and a bungee around the suspension to hold it there. Next, unplug the harness from the fog lights and unscrew the mount. There's a sneaky one up top, don't forget that one. Unclip it and take it out. We're done with that. Next, let's set up our Rough Country 2-inch LED pods. Unscrew the top border and just slide in the bracket. Rough Country includes longer screws in the little bag there. You'll need those. Next, take it to the truck and rough it in. We'll be step drilling the bash bar to mount them. Now we've opted to use a paint pen to mark our holes. After it's drilled, it's an easy socket wrench twisty time to bolt it in. Now, this is the part that everyone skips over or just plain old rushes through. Wiring these pods into the OEM fog light switch keeps everything clean. No extra switches slapped on your dash. We're going to need room for those later on down the road. It's an easy job. Just splice the Rough Country plug into the Nissan Lumen and plug that into the weather pack connector. Some zip ties to keep things nice and tidy, and we're ready to replace the fender liner. Now that it's in, let's test them out. For comparison, earlier I filmed the factory fog lights. And one snowstorm later, here we are. Let's test the difference. No missing elk with these things. And that's the Rough Country LED pod fog light swap on the Frontier. Big thanks to the boys over at Full Circle Automotive for their helping hand and the warm shop. But that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and ring that little bell. Plenty more automotive fun to come. I really do appreciate every one of you for watching. It means the absolute world to me that I get to combine my two passions and share it with you. But until next week, I'm that car guy Tim, and as always, have fun, get her done.